Namaskar, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing really well. Before I start the video, I just want to tell you guys, I wasn't really planning to do a haul video for this week, but suddenly this thing came yesterday and I'm like, what did I order? Because I almost forgot about it, and when I saw this I remembered like, oh yes, I was so excited when I ordered this and finally it's here and I can't really help but share this with you. So most of you love silver jewelries, I'm sure. So yeah, that's what it is, and I'm gonna be very honest with you guys because I have spent my money and this is the first time I have shopped from this website. It's called everstylish.com. I don't know if you have ever heard of this brand or like website, because that time I Facebook or Instagram open koro hoday mane a website to ba yar related post khini mane hoday pop up hoi thake, and I was so intrigued because moi bhabisilu iman dhuniya bostu to dekhisu but actually bostu bor bhal hoy ne. That's why I thought let's give it a try. So yeah, without wasting more time, let's start the video. So guys, I'm so excited, and when it comes to silver jewelries, I get online agote shopping kora nai, so that's why I was really skeptical about this website, but I thought chalo koi nahi, let's try, and so that I can help you out as well if you are planning to buy silver jewelries. So আপোনালোকে যদি এটো রিভিউ চাইলো বা এটো ভিডিও চাইলো আপোনালোকে হেল্প হবো পাৰে, and yeah, let's start my haul. So the packaging looks like this. Packaging and all, it's really good. So look at this. So total my ajur earring order korisilo, but one of them got out of stock, so jetia hetu restock kora hobo definitely hote mule send koribo. Moi already kotha pata hoise, so etia mur sab total hajur ase. So the first one is this one which I'm wearing right now. So it's a really cute earring, and I really love this one because it's so lightweight, and if you are a college going girl who loves to wear silver jewelry, so it's really lightweight, so apuni aram se pin jabo paribo, kono problem nai. So this is the first one, and I have to tell you that the finishing and the quality is really good. Etu earring or definitely moi apnalokok recommend koribo parim, apnaloke jodi mon jai lobo pare, aru moi closer picture to yat di dim, don't worry, jehetu moi pindhi asu, so I can't really like show it to you. So my pictures and name khini aru price khini moi details khini sob di dim. So this is the first one, and the next one is this cute little tiny jhumki. This looks so nice, so cute, and apuni definitely he college or occasion or ba daily wear kan apuni pin jabo paribo jodi apuni earring iman pindi bhal na pai but still want to wear something, so you can definitely go for this one. It's so lightweight and the finishing and all are really good, as you can see. So this is the second one. Look at this gorgeous one. This is the third pair of earring, and I really like the details and the pattern, and this one looks so expensive and so heavy. If you want to go for like a heavy look or adop jodi sophisticated look etar kane jabo khuje, definitely apuni etu pindhibo pare, bahut dhuniya lagibo, aru tolor ebur juntu jhumki ei jhumki details bor bahut bhal lagise. Now let's move on to my next one. Also I want to mention one thing, আপোনালোকে যদি এই ওয়েবসাইট টু যায় আপোনালোকে 600 যদি শপিং কৰে তেতিয়া আপোনাৰ শিপিং ফি না লাগে. একচুয়ালি এই যিখিনি ইয়াৰিং কিনিছো মই আৰু মোৰ ঘৰৰ ওচৰ ভন্টি এজনী মিলি কিনিছো, so that shipping fee টোৰ পৰা বাচিব পাৰো. So the next one is this one. It's the mirror detail motif moon jewelry according to the website. So এইজোৰ ভন্টিৰ কাৰণে লোৱা হৈছে, and yeah, the quality is really nice. I can just tell you one thing, apuni jodi he try kore etu website, I'm sure apnaloke disappointed na hobo because jikhini moi order korisu definitely bhal paisu. Now let's move on to the next one. Look at this one. This is the round shape multicolored earring, and I really like this one. Apuni dholok high bun ba high ponytail bandhise tete apuni ezur definitely pindhibo paribo, bahut dhuniya lagibo, apunar sari look to bahut dhuniya dekhabo, apunar gotei look to eta statement earring hisabe ezur ulai poribo, and the quality is really good, as I've already told you so many times, because actually quality is to bahut bhal hoy aru looks wise it's really nice, and the finishing is also good. Aru jikhini yan multicolor stone dia ase bahut bhalke atha logua ase ba bhal se etu intact hoy, gotike iman joldi gusi na jabo for sure. So this is the next one, and similar to this one I've got one more. Look at this beauty, isn't it gorgeous? I'm sure আপোনালোকে এজুৰ ইয়াৰিং যেতিয়া দেখিবা আপোনালোকৰ ভাল লাগিবই, because oh my god, it's really nice. আপোনালোকে ডেফিনেটলি এইটো ট্ৰাই কৰি চাব পাৰে বিকজ আজিকালি এনেকুৱা ৰাউণ্ড শ্বেপ বহুত ট্ৰেণ্ডত চলিছে আৰু শাৰী বা যিকোনো এটা আপোনাৰ এথনিক ৱেৰত এইটো ডেফিনেটলি ভাল লাগে আৰু যিহেতু মাল্টি কালাৰ্ড হয় ষ্টোনবোৰ আছে চ' আপোনালোকৰ গোটেইবোৰ যিকোনো কালাৰ আউটফিটৰ লগত যাব and as I have already mentioned the quality is really good. Yeah, this is the next one. Now let's move on to my final product. Actually Izuri aru ezuri earring oha hole definitely to second last hole heten but Izuri earring oha nai moi heturu apnalokor pictures and price di dim junjur moi etialoke oha nai but definitely hote mule hetu send koribo ebar restock korar pason so azir hall to last earring and when I saw this on the website I thought chalo I have to get this one because it's so nice. Look at this. And this one looks like more whitish rather than the silverish as you can see the difference here. It actually dekhat silver earrings pura lage but this one is like basically all of white at pore apuni thole silver pinche ba kiba pinche tar apuni eitu earring pinhiba pare bahut dhunia lagibo and this one is triple boho jhumkis according to the website and I absolutely love this one apuni definitely eitu apuni suli meli jodi pinhe yate dhunia se ulomi thakibo actually bahut bhal lagibo pinhile aru you can definitely get this one. I just want to mention one thing here like jikhini bostu ahise jetu kobole gole 7 jur ne 8 jur earring ekelogote ahise so iman eta tiny box or ekeloge hesa khai ahise so I think yote okoman jodi box to jodi olop dangor provide kore tetia aru bhalke bostu por ahibo pare because when I open this this one is little tilted. I don't know if you can notice it. I want to show you gotike okoman ei hook bor olop beka hoi ahise. Can you see this? Olop beka hoy gotike iman khini bostu ekeloge enike theli hesi ekdom sepa sepike bhoruar kane okoman bostu bor beka hoi goise. If they can provide a bigger box eta bostu bor aru bhalke ahibo pare otherwise the quality and all are really good but apart from that I really like all of them and I have to say I can definitely trust this website for silver earrings and silver jewelries as well and not only earrings you can definitely get like bracelets neck pieces and rings as well so apnaloke definitely try kori sabo pare apnalokor jodi mon jay moi website link to definitely di dim and I'm sure Facebook ba Instagram or apnaloke khulile definitely website to ebar holeo dekhise ba ebar holeo pabo. Yeah, that's about it and I hope you will love this video and apnalokor jodi jewelries khini bhal lage apnaloke definitely buy koribo pare so yeah that's about it and I hope you will enjoy this haul and if you did then don't forget to like share and subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video till then take care and bye.